So, hey guys, let's talk about the Discord. There was recently added AI bot. So let's talk about how to use it. Okay. So when you go to the channel, you're gonna see alerts like this. Now, with these alerts, you're going to have daily, weekly, and hourly. Sometimes 4 hour, but not so much. So what this alert is telling you is that DraftKings, because that's DraftKings ticker, is in a breakout on the hourly time frame. So when it alerts you of that, gives you the opportunity to be able to decide whether or not you want to play a call on it, and if you want to just buy shares on it, okay? Because it's a breakout, meaning it's going to go up. So when you click on the chart shows you that, you know, on mine with the indicator, this is the 20 EMA. So it's riding along the 20 EMA and it's about to pop off of it. So that would indicate to me that it is in a breakout confirmation. So I could go look for calls if I wanted to play options on it. Okay. Now, this AI bot gives alerts on pretty much almost everything, but how they find their alerts is it's found through flow and setups. So flow is basically where the big money is putting their money. So there are times where you will see where the stock market is dead in certain sectors or areas of the stock market, but certain stocks are moving. Well, this is why, because they're dumping it for whatever reason. It could be news, it could be insider buying, it could be for whatever reason, but whatever the reason is, we're able to get the alerts with the chart set up and basically have more plays. This AI bot is at this point, accuracy is about 98% accurate on all of its trades. Now, just because I say that does not mean that a trade isn't going to go red on you. A trade could go red. It could be one of those things where you can only hold it for, just the day. It could be one of those things where it doesn't set up and then it becomes a swing. So I would always say check your time frames, confirm before jumping in. But I've been trading with this bot now for about a month. And I wanted to do that because I didn't want it in the Discord if it wasn't accurate. I wanted to make sure that people had, other plays besides just mine or Bitcoin Queens or Mr. Take Profit or even Blockchain Babes. You guys now have other ways of getting trades or at least finding setups. Okay, now these are good setups for you if you wanted to do long-term investing. You could buy the stock and hold it into your portfolio. So you could trade it many ways. You could play options or you could just basically use it as an investment tool. Okay. So it's just very simple. And like I said, always make sure that it says breakout on the hourly, breakout on the daily, breakout on the weekly. It's always going to say that. Now for the breakdowns, because you're going to get alerted of that. And let me find one. All right, so here's a breakdown. A breakdown is on Netflix. This was a breakdown on the hourly time frame, and I actually alerted this right before this came out. And a couple of the members hopped in on my Netflix call out on a put, and they brung in, I think, 105% return. So overall, it was a very good play. And I could have held the play a little bit longer because then this got alerted, but it's fine. So that's our AI bot. The next thing that we're going to try to work on is the option flow. And that's going to basically allow you to see where big money is putting their money. So you're going to see the sweeps, you're going to see the dark pools. But the whole point of this is it's AI. So it is combing everything, all the exchanges, to see what big money is doing. So they are going to be very accurate on the data. This is going to be data that we're unable to see unless we pay for it. So this is now going to be in the Discord right here at your fingertips for you to be able to find your own plays, see what big money is doing, and make basically executive decisions on your trades now. So that's all I wanted to let everyone know was, we have this new bot. It's up and running. It has got the stamp, the Queen Flex stamp of approval to be traded. Trade it wisely, trade it safely. So if you are in profit, like I always say, win the trade. I don't care if it's 5%. I don't care if it's 100%, but win the trade. Don't sit there and hold it just because an AI bot said, well, this is what it is, because sometimes it may not hold for that long. Okay. So, I mean, stay green with Queen. If you are not part of the Discord, please come over to Queen of Trades. We are making a lot of money. Team members are very happy. And we have our promotion until the 30th. It is $10 grandfathered in for the month. And if you do anything after the 30th, it will be $30 a month. So, I mean, let's be honest, you're going to make your $10 back. So you can make that back every month. So the investment on $10 is, a little bit better than the 30. But I mean, if you want to wait, you're going to get stuck with that 30. So, that's pretty much it. So I would say have a good one, and I will let you guys know when the next bot is up and running and ready to be used. Have a good one, guys.